Today on Buffy's Home Decorating, we're going to be making the classic Libby's pumpkin pie recipe, and I'm so excited to have my son Brandon with me today. Welcome, Brandon.
Thank you. It's so fun to get to be a part of this.
And Brandon has been making pumpkin pies for a long time, and we're so excited to be sharing the Libby's classic recipe. This company's been around 150 years distributing canned foods, and this recipe is 75 years old. Okay, darling, let's get started.
All right, so the first step, you'll need to gather your ingredients. You'll need your deep dish pie crust, your 4 eggs, sugar, salt, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, Libby's pure pumpkin, and evaporated milk. All right, so step 2, you'll need to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Now for step 3, you'll need to mix your dry ingredients into a small bowl. All right, so first you'll add 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and then you'll add your spices. You have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. And you'll add that, and you mix. Step 4, you want to beat 4 eggs. And you can use a mixer, or you can do what I'm doing. You can stab the yolks with a fork and make it easier to mix them. Now step 5, you'll add 1 can of Libby's pure pumpkin into a large mixing bowl. All right, and then you'll add your beaten eggs and your dry ingredients. Step 6, you want to mix all your ingredients, and then you want to slowly add 1 can of evaporated milk. So step 7, you want to pour your filling into your deep dish pie crust. So step 8, the last step, your pie is ready to bake. So you'll put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 425 degrees, and then you'll reduce it to 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes until your pie is set.
I have a fun story to tell about Brandon. When he was not even 2 years old, I went in the kitchen and the refrigerator door was open, and he was standing there with a spoon with the pumpkin pie on the bottom shelf, just scooping it out, eating it. So he's literally been eating pumpkin pie since he was a toddler.
So there you have it, Libby's classic pumpkin pie. It's super easy and it's super yummy.
Thank you so much, Brandon, for making this delicious pie for us today. And thank you so much for watching. We have one question for you. If you'll comment below, do you like Cool Whip or do you like Ready Whip on your pumpkin pie? Our family wishes yours a very happy Thanksgiving full of love and gratitude. And if you like this video today, give it a thumbs up. We would love it if you would subscribe to our channel and ring the little bell to be notified of future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.